Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Gala video update for Saturday 13th of August. And the metaverse project called Gala right now is on fire. Damn, what the hell is happening out there? Now that's not gunshots, to be honest with you. That's just a bike getting chopped up. It's getting sick at the moment. So I was looking at Gala some few days ago, and I'm just going to remove the EMAs right now, and you can see that Gala pretty much has a breakout. Okay, so you had this resistance line touch here, number second, number third, number fourth right there, and you had those all of those resistance line right there, made a morning star here, break to the upside, and ever since you have broken out of this downtrend ever since May 2022. So that was a downtrend that is lost, and the trend is your friend until the end, and when you break the trend you make a new friend. So the uptrend at the moment is your new friend. So let's talk about the other flip side, which is an uptrend, a mini uptrend, because nonetheless you do have this low here, the higher low, you have another higher low right there. So that's actually a good progress right now. And not only that, but if you look at the EMAs, you do have a bull cross right now, and that's pretty much it hasn't happened just yet. It really hasn't happened, but it's about to happen. You're about to get a 55, the 10 and the 20 actually crossing with one another. Now it's the weekend. I'm not going to trade in the weekends, of course, because you might see a little bit of retracements to the downside. Now I do think you might come down a little bit here and retrace at this level, which is going to be 0.06339. and when you do actually retrace down here, not only do you find support of this particular resistance there, resistance that you've already broken out and you're coming down for the retest, but you're also retesting these lines, this crosses right over here, and that's actually good. But what you don't want to see is that you just fizzle out right there, you come down and you start to take out the low here of 0.05682. if you take that one, cross this level, then you might be looking to actually go back down. Probably, I'm not going to say you're going to start a big huge downtrend, but anything, you might be looking to come down to this level 0.04736, maybe make a triple bottom, with this one being the first, second, and then the third bottom, and then moving higher. But it's all about stepping down. It's all about losing the support and resistance level, and as long as you're holding support the coin. Okay, never ever disrespect the support. Okay, as long as you can hold support, that's amazing. But at first, my honest opinion is that it will just come down to 0.06356. Just retest this level, retest the EMAs, make a bull cross, and then from here start to fly. And if Bitcoin actually behaves, we're going to see Gala making some amazing moves to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this quick update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals, and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.